Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss the topic of like and unlike fractions. This is on page 86 of your book. Now, firstly, let us start with the like fractions. The fractions which have a common denominator are called like fractions. For example, I have the fractions 4 by 19, 6 by 19, 8 by 19, 11 by 19. In all these, what we have observed is the denominator of all the fractions is same. So, such fractions are like fractions. Unlike fractions are those fractions which have different denominators. For example, 6 by 23, 5 by 12, 9 by 17, 8 by 14. All of them have the different denominators. So these are unlike fractions. Next, if I want to convert unlike fractions into like fractions, for example, I have the fractions 1 by 5, 3 by 6, 2 by 9, 4 by 10, and I want to make them like fractions, means same denominator. So what I will do? I will take LCM of all the denominators. Here my denominators are 5, 6, 9 and 10. So let us take the LCM of these. 5 is 5 into 1. 6 is 2 into 3 into 1. 9 is 3 into 3 into 1. And 10 is 2 into 5 into 1. So LCM is, as we have done in third chapter also, how to write LCM. 5 is occurring 2 times in the prime factorization. So it will be written only once. Then 2. Then 3. Then this 3 is left, so we will write this also. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 33s are 90. So 90 is my LCM in this case. Now next step is if we will make all the denominators as 90. So if I start with the first fraction 1 by 5, what should be multiplied with 5 to get 90? 18, because we know 18 5s are 90. So in the numerator also we will be multiplying with the same number. So 18 1s are 18 and 18 5s are 90. This is my first fraction. Next is 3 by 6. So 3 by 6. 6 should be multiplied with what number to get 90? 15. So 15 6 are 90 and 15 3s are 45. Next I have the fraction 2 by 9. So 9 should be multiplied with 10 to get 90. So in the numerator also 10 2s are 20 and 10 9s are 90. Next we have 4 by 10. So in the denominator 10 should be multiplied with 9 to get 90. So in the numerator also we will multiply with 9. So the fraction become 9 4s are 36. As you can see, I have started with unlike fractions and I have converted them into like fractions having the same denominator, that is 90. Next is if I want to compare the fractions, which one is greater, which one is smaller. So if I have like fractions, what I will do? I will just see their numerators. The numerator which is smaller, that fraction will be smaller, and the numerator which is bigger, that whole fraction is bigger. So if I have these fractions 2 by 7, 6 by 7, 5 by 7, 3 by 7 and 1 by 7. Here 1 is the smallest numerator, so 1 by 7 is the smallest fraction, then 2 by 7, then 3 by 7, then 5 by 7 and then 6 by 7. So this is the ascending order of the fractions. Now if I have unlike fractions and if I want to compare them, so firstly I have to make them as like fractions. If I have these fractions 1 by 5, 3 by 4, 6 by 7 and 3 by 2. So let us take the LCM of the denominators 5, 4, 7 and 2. 5 is 5 into 1, 4 is 2 into 2 into 1, 7 is 7 into 1 and 2 is 2 into 1. Now 1 by 5, first fraction. Firstly the LCM is 5 into 2 into 2 into 7, that is 140. So first fraction is 1 by 5. 5 should be multiplied with what number to get 140? That is 28. So 28 into 5 is 140 and 28 into 1 is 28. Next fraction is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 4 should be multiplied with 35 to get 140. So 35 into 3 is 105 and 35 into 4 is 140. Next fraction is 6 by 7. So 7 should be multiplied with 20 to get 140. So 20 into 6 120 and 20 into 7 140. Next fraction 3 by 2. So 2 should be multiplied with 70 to get 140. In the numerator also we will multiply with 70. 70 into 3 is 210. Now let us compare the numerators because the fractions are now like fractions. So in the ascending order it will be 28 by 140 is the smallest. Then we have 105 by 140. Then 120 by 140 and then 210 by 140. So this is the ascending order of the fractions. In the last of the question you will not end like this. You have to write the original fractions where we have started with. So 28 by 140 means 1 by 5. So you will write 1 by 5. Then 105 by 140 means 3 by 4. So you have to arrange in the end like this. So whatever question is asked, the answer should be in that form only. Next, if we have fractions having same numerator but different denominator. So consider these fractions like 1 by 6, 1 by 9, 1 by 3, 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. Here the numerator is same but the denominators are different. So in that case, how we compare? The denominator which is smaller, the fraction is bigger, and for which the denominator is bigger, the fraction will be smaller. So it is a kind of reciprocal. So here the smallest fraction will be 1 by 9 because 9 is the biggest denominator. So 1 by 9 is the smallest fraction. So next will be 1 by 6, then 1 by 5, then 1 by 3 and then 1 by 2. We have another method also, that is cross multiplication method, to compare the fractions. Suppose we want to check whether which of these fractions is greater, 3 by 8 or 2 by 5. What I will do? I will cross multiply them. So after doing the cross multiplication, 5 into 3, 15, 5 into 2, 10. Here the fraction is 3 by 5. So 15 and 10, which one is greater? 15 is greater. How we get 15? By multiplying 3 and 5. So where the numerator is going, that fraction will be greater. So this one, left hand fraction will be greater, means 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. Next I have 1 by 5 or 4 by 9. So again cross multiply. 9 ones are 9, 5 fours are 20. So obviously this cross is greater. So 4 by 9 is greater than 1 by 5. Next, your homework for today is check which fraction is greater, 4 by 5 or 6 by 8. And second is arrange in ascending order 1 by 5, 5 by 12 and 4 by 9. Thank you. Have a nice day.